Hari Om. Well, my dear students, welcome to the part 2 of lesson agriculture, class 10. This is the agricultural crops. Before starting the agricultural crops, I must clarify you what is cropping season. It is a period or a particular season in which plants are cultivated. In India, it is classified into 3 seasons. They are kharif, rabi and zaid crop. Now question may come to your mind, what is a kharif? What is kharif crop? What is kharif season? This period is from mid-June to mid-September or October. Especially the crops like rice, maize, jowar, bajra, jute, sugarcane, groundnut, tur, mung, urad, cotton, many more are grown. Next you will see the rabi crop. Its period is from November to May. Especially crops like wheat, barley, mustard, gram, etc. are grown well. Besides these two crops, kharif and rabi, the major seasons, third season, that is zaid season, it is a short-term interim season between rabi and kharif season. These are summer crops like watermelons, muskmelons, cucumber, fodder crops, vegetables are grown in this time. Very short time, that is about hardly 2 to 3 months, April to June, about this crop is grown. Next, dear children, now we will come across major crops of India as to your course's content. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses, millets, beverage crops, oil seeds, fiber crops, many more. Now, if we will go one by one in detail about that, let's first we will see the rice, which is a kharif crop. Remember, it is a kharif crop. It is a staple food crop of the country. It is the staple food crop of the country. Because what is staple? The food which is consumed by people regularly and get a high calorific value, that is the called staple food crop. Example is rice and wheat, you can tell. Majority of people depend on rice, isn't it? India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Rice is not growing in all parts of the country because of variations in climatic conditions, then soil textures and many more that you know already. My dear students, rice required annual rainfall about 100 to 150 centimeters for its proper growth. It also requires high temperature of about more than 25 degrees Celsius along with high humidity. It grows well in alluvial deltaic soil. It is a tropical crop, grows well in wet monsoon lands. My dear students, it is an important food crop, isn't it? So what is a food crop? It means a crop that is produced for only human consumption, like cereals, sugarcane, and like this. It is grown in the plains of North and Northeast India. Not only that much, also the delta areas of coastal India. You may say states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, parts of UP, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, all these areas grow rice well. It is a subsistence crop. It is a subsistence intensive crop in all the states what I told now. But in Punjab and Haryana, it is a commercial crop. It is a commercial crop because due to implementation of HIV crops and fertilizers, then irrigation facilities, modern means of agriculture, they do this crop commercially. Clear? And lastly, remember also this crop in Assam, West Bengal and in Bihar or mainly Odisha, Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, this rice grows in 3 times, having 3 different names the same year, that is Osh, Aman and Bora. Generally Osh cultivated in July to August, that is you may say rainy season, and Aman is cultivated in December to January, that is winter crop, and Boro is cultivated in March to April, that is in spring season. Clear a point? Now we will see the map of India where these rice crops are grown. I have already told you the delta area. See how I have marked with dot, large dots. Dense dots means more productions, less dot means less production, but it is not for Punjab and Haryana. In Punjab and Haryana, Punjab is called the rice bowl of India, means the production is such they are doing. Am I clear? All of you do like this map practice for your exam point of view. Now dear students, let's move to wheat cultivation. Wheat is a major crop. It is a rabi crop. It is the second most important cereal crop of India next to rice. It requires a cool and moist growing season of about temperature 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. And never forget to write it needs bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It needs rainfall about even rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter annually. Also, there must be 100 frost-free days required. What is a frost? It is the weather condition when the temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius. What is frost? It is the weather condition when the temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius, that is freezing point, and a thin layer of ice forms on the ground in night. This is the frost. Next comes our soil. It required alluvial loamy soil for its best growth. In India, there are 2 important wheat growing zones are there. One is Ganga and Satluj river plains in the north, and the black soil region of the Deccan Plateau, main that is MP, Madhya Pradesh. Dear students, next you will see the map of wheat. I have marked here only the major areas. From the map it can easily, you can notice Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, Delhi, part of Rajasthan, MP, Western UP or whole UP. These are the major producing states of wheat. Next, turn to maize crop. Maize is the important crop, but it is a kharif crop. Maize is a kharif crop, but it also grow in rabi season in some parts by using fertilizers to it. Say Bihar. In Bihar, maize is growing is rabi crop also. It is used as food and fodder. Maize is grown as food and fodder crop. Now let you see the necessary conditions what required for maize. It needs well-drained old alluvial soil and temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, along with annual rainfall between 63 centimeter to 115 centimeters. Also, it needs the conditions of 140 days frost free. Nowadays, maize production has increased with application of modern inputs like HYB seeds, irrigational, modern tools, modern machines, isn't it? In India, the crop is grown mainly in Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, AP, Telangana, Punjab, Chhattisgarh and MP.